2019 Honda HR-V Redesign. Changes. There's no motivation to now not pick Honda HR-V in the event that you're a hybrid fan. This car infers a lighter develop, nonetheless, doesn't leave the impression of extravagance. HR-V has turned out to be one among the first elegant hybrid. Honda's next mission is to supply a ton of drawing-in styles, nice looking and moreover solid on each other. HR-V can release 3 varying rights in 2019 with an intricate outside, inside and finish motor points of interest beneath. The two models swear a measure about the twin of each other with the sole genuine qualification transforming into the name. Be that as it may, not recognized, it right now looks like partner degree update could likewise be in its approach. So far the information is yet rare, yet, it appears as though the expected 2019 Honda HR-V might be the facelift men and women were looking for. Discharge Date and Price. The future 2019 Honda HR-V can hit the market preparing to the highest point of 2018. Be that as it may, Honda should even now uncover the car months in advance. Its value isn't coming to alteration all that bottomless. The base model should present an incentive underneath $21,000 that makes it one among the less expensive hybrids out there.